evening. We're back home in the US. We're going to a dinner at Ramen Temescal here in Oakland. Oh, Oakland, yeah. Yeah. So if you guys are wondering what our life here after the Philippines, coming back home, well, we're going to a dinner. Let me see. Today's what time? Today is Wednesday. 7:02 p.m. It's cold, winter season. I think today is, what's today's date? The 28th, I think.
Yeah.
Let me see.
28th.
Yeah, 28th. It's at 7:02 p.m. Me and wife are going to a dinner with friends. So this is just an update after coming home from the Philippines and after the Singapore tour. Still adjusting on time, jet lag. You woke up what, 1 o'clock in the morning? Yeah, you got about what, 3-4 hours sleep, I think, and I got about 1 hour sleep since midnight or 11 o'clock last night, and it's already 7 o'clock, so I had about an hour nap between 2 to 3 o'clock 2 to 3. So trying to stay up because of that jet lag. So anyways, we're going to a dinner and I'll make a video where we're going to go eat, and we'll see you there. Okay, bye. There we are. We arrive at our destination. It's in Grand, well, that's not Grand Lake, right?
No. We are in Temescal.
Temescal. Going for a dinner. It's cold, of course, with a jacket. So we'll see you at the restaurant. We have a reservation at 7:30. Man, my hair looking funky. Hold on. Let's see. Why is the light still on? Alright. So, where are we? There she is. Let's go. Cross. Okay, so put that on the other side. Make sure this thing is on the left side.
Like this.
Just so it's easy to draw if I need to draw. Welcome to Temescal. Here, let me carry that jacket for you. Oh, this is the is this a pizza? No, this is the one that we came to last time. Yeah, it's a pizza joint that we go to.
Taco too.
Yeah, it's a taco.
This is the one we walked
Yeah.
to. It's Susan.
And then this is what we do now here in US. You know, they turn the sidewalk into a little restaurant. Here, that's where you eat. Right? And then that's where all the restaurant is at. What is it called? What was the restaurant called? Is it over there? Yeah. And
I think that one was all the lights.
I think so. You want to cross now? Are you on the left side? Alright, so we'll go across here. Let's go across here. Crossing. Let's go, baby. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Oof. Very cold. I think we're in below 40s. But coming from a hot weather country about a few days ago to below 40s, yes, it is cold. Whew. And I'm tired as hell now. Anyways, yeah, this is the one. This is the sushi. I think that is, man. Yeah, give me. Oof, it's cold. Alright. Temescal, what? Marufuku ramen. Yeah, this is it. So I guess this is the outside. That's alright. This is it. Marufuku ramen. This is where we're going at 7:30 for dinner. Wait list. Gotta make it. We ended up at the bar. Yeah, let's just get a special if they have any special. Okay. We're taking a special, I guess. We'll come back to the United States. Whew. You wanna sit down? Come on, sit down here. Alright. We'll have this.
Can I get a vodka soda? Yeah. And if on my card was gonna close it, my last time call, you should go some, yeah.
At a bar. This is the bar in the US. Man, what? Yes, ma'am. It's our drink. It's a Montucky cold snack beer, tequila shot, and some cocktail. There you go. Yeah, I know, I see. You ready? Let's go. Damn. Yeah, let's take the shot.
Keep your hand right there.
Yeah. Alright, cheers. Tequila. With the homies. What you drinking? What you drinking? What you drinking? Another cocktail. Another cocktail. What about you, Joe? What do you got there? Henny? 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 Yeah. We're here at the bar next to our what is that? Restaurant?
Restaurant?
Yeah. Yeah. Cheers. Yeah, that thing burns. Cheers. My best friend Joe. Best friend Joe.
And his wifey.
And his wifey. My sister Linda. And my wife. Bear. At a bar. A few days after we got home.
No, welcome back, guys.
Yep. Come back. What did I say? Marufuku ramen. Too cold. We're waiting. Where's the bell? Oh, you see it?
Have you eaten?
Hey, I look at, babe, you gotta give me another haircut. I'm looking like homeless.
Look at me, I look like a child.
You look like a child. Everybody's waiting. That's the venue. This is the bar. This is the bar venue that we were at. So if you were to drink, you want to go outside, that's where you go hang out. And then this is the Marufuku. I don't know. Let's see. Damn light. Anyways, it says Marufuku. So this is where you eat on the outside. You come and eat outside. Due to COVID, this is what happened. You know, you get this, and we got a gift for Christmas. Since we weren't around for Christmas, we got home a few days ago. So this is the line. We're checking. Where's the waitress? She's right there. We're waiting for our table. Our reservation. Excuse me. Try to put on some gel. Anyways, I don't care. Welcome to the United States of America.
Damn. I bet you she gave it away.
Our table? I hope not. What?
No, when we went in there. So then I got to text later. Big wish to kind of get the tape out.
How many are we? 6? 6?
Maybe 7.
Maybe 7. I don't
What? Gail and Tony coming over?
Well, I mean,
Nice. So we have other people coming through. Everything is cold. So we're waiting.
oh, where must Superstar? Where's that?
We're waiting.
Oh, it's okay.
We got bikers coming through. The venue, the avenue. That was the bar that we were at right there. The avenue, that's the bar next to the restaurant we were at. So yeah, this is what we do, or this is what I do here in the United States. Basically in California. A few days after we got back home from the Philippines, so no more farming for a while until I get back. Hopefully by June. Hopefully by June. Yep.
They keep saying we're
Look who came. Look at this nigga. Look at this. What's up, bro? Nothing. I'm just videoing your ass. San si ano? Significant other is at work? Oh man, that's a bell. That's a bell.
How about you?
Hey man,
I have to go around like 3 times.
I need my
I saw the first
bell.
one interested.
You know what I need?
And I was like, yeah, we're
Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Tell me.
the corner where we ate.
Ano? And
Yeah, yeah. Not bad.
Versus
1,000. Yes.
So pag narinig ko yung motor niya, saan yun?
This motherfucker talking across me.
What is that sound?
What is this food? Yung about motorcycle. About motorcycle. Come on. What? Going to a track. Let's go tracking. Yeah. Anyways, let me use R6.
no, I'm using that.
Man, what the fuck? You want me to use the R1? Hell the fuck no! I don't want the R1 on the track. Oh no, that's too much powerful, man.
I don't have the long ass thing. Yeah.
I want to get a Versus 1000 and oh, you got the R7, right? I'll take the R7. I'll take the R7. I'll take that then instead of the R1. On the track? Nah, I wouldn't take the R1. Fuck all that, bro. That's too much powerful.
Yeah, I was like, something smaller, but I might she will appreciate this so much.
Anyway, we're here now, sitting down. Now I'll take the R7. Fuck the R1 on the track. That's too fast, too powerful.
Gail, she coming?
What you got? What is this called? What?
Octopus balls.
Octopus balls. Stinky ass. A bow. Hella stinks. What is this called? What? Bow?
Bow.
Bow. It's a bow. And what is this called?
Octopus balls. I told you already.
Octopus balls. Bitlog. Look who showed up. What's up, man? Welcome back. Welcome back to the United. Look who showed up. Look at this guy. Where's Gail? With the baby?
Yeah, he's all tired.
This is Tony Tone. Partner Tone. So, welcome back.
How do you like that thing? Is it good?
Okay, yeah. It's a good shoe power. Right here, Tom?
What's up, baby?
Yeah, man. What?
I don't eat that. Remember, I'm clean.
Alright, we got our food. There's something about spicy. Something. I don't know what it's called. But let's eat. Tony, why you got a tiny ass one, bro? What the hell?
His meal.
That's for Mikey's size, my son.
His meal.
You're on a diet. Well,
Is it good though, Tommy?
dinner,
Good
sir.
though?
Dinner na natin. But what is this called? Ramen spicy. Alright. Guess so. Let's eat. Dinner, sir. Thanks, man. Sister, how's that taste? How about you, bro? Tony on the diet. How's that taste, bro? No, he gonna order 2 more. Bro, how's that taste, bro? All right. How's this taste? Spicy a little bit, but
There's something about it. It's more if you want it more spicy.
hell no, that's too spicy, bro. I don't want none of that, man. It's too spicy. Good. Some lemon. Where's your eye? Where's your glasses all fogged up? All foggy. Damn. How's that taste? Mine tastes better. This is yours. Taste this ramen. It's not bad either.
But you want his back. I want mine back.
Yeah. Change back. Change back. We're done. Dinner's done. Time to go home.
Hell no, to the party.
Okay. We came back here again after dinner. Back to the bar.
Mel broke your stool. It was Mel.
Oh, Belle. Let's go. We're back to the bar. This time with Tone and a Belle. Right there. What's that? Oh, hi. You're eating by yourself. You're eating by yourself. We're back to the bar after dinner. What do you got? The apple cider? Alright, let's go. Cheers. Abel, you can take my beer, Tone. Oh, motherfucker, you got a middle finger.
Hey, let me do an eye call.
Oh, all of a sudden. Alright, let's go, let's go. Cheers. Come on. Cheers. With a middle finger sticking in the middle. Alright. Time to go home. Go home. Across the street. No. Right there. Next. You. Hi, man. Hi, sis. You. You.
Thank you,
Hi, bro.
you for my sauce.
Thank you. See y'all later. Have a great night. Where y'all park? Oh, alright. Yee. Alright, baby. Just the 2 of us left. The meat is cold. It's so cold. Hold on, I need to put on your jacket. Woo. Yeah. Golly, the breeze. Isn't it? That's where they used to stay in that building, huh? That building right there at the corner. Your friend? The pharmacist.
Yeah, I don't
That
I
one.
don't remember.
I think it's that one right there. Dang, it's so cold. Whew. My finger's cold. Damn. It's cold. Alright. Here you go, baby. Let's go home. Ran of the night. Yes. Which way? You do a U-turn? You do a U-turn, huh?